Hello dear students, welcome to online computer class. I am Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. One request to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and keep on posting your comments, your queries. I feel very happy when I see your comments and answering them, and do motivate other classmates also to do the same. Let's begin our today's topic.
Class 8th. Today we will going to discuss some question answers of this chapter that is available in your book, right? And you can write, you have done the assignment one by the time, I can hope that. So you can write these answers also. They are very small questions. 4 questions are there, and I have not taken the questions which says write the steps of doing that, because that are the practical aspects and I have explained you everything, right? So let's discuss this question. Very simple questions, and you can write it down after the assignments, these questions in your notebooks wherever you are writing the assignment. So my first question is, why do we use form in Access, right? You know what is form, you know how to create the form, but why it is required? Let's see the answer. A form is generally used to view one record at a time in a formatted graphical manner. You have seen how form look like in a graphical format, right? So that is the use of form. If you want to display one record at a time, we use what? Form. Now my next question. Why do we use reports? See my dear students, I already told you I will not be discussing how to create anything. That I have told. That is the practical concept. Here we are discussing why to use that. If something is there, if any feature is there, why report is there, right? Let's see the answer. A report is used to present data in a user-friendly format, right? You have seen the reports now. In one page all the records are being depicted, so that is the user-friendly format. Next question, what is query? In the previous video I was explaining you how query and filtering are different from each other, right? So here question is, what is query? You know how to create it. That part I am not discussing. So query is a feature in Access that is help us to get a specific information. If we want a specific information, then what feature we can use? Query. I told you one more advantage of this query, that if 2 or more tables are there and you want some field from the table 1 and some field from the table 2 in a combined format, then you can apply this query, right? These 3 questions are there in the book, and the question I am discussing now is not there in the book, but you should write this question, and I think you should be aware of this question. Write the contextual tab display when form is created. You know, contextual tab displayed when form is created. It does not present every time. It is present when form or report is created, right? There are 3 contextual tabs, that is Design tab, Arrange and Format tab. These tabs are there when you create a form. So these are the 4 questions that I want you to write in your notebooks. You can pause the video while writing, fine, and if you have not understood any of the answer, you can ask me through comment box. One student has a confusion regarding contextual tab, so now it's a time to clear the confusion. In case of form, there are 3 contextual tabs: Design, Arrange and Format. And in case of report, there is 4 contextual tabs: Design, Arrange, Format and Page Setup. So now with the Access software, I will show you how the contextual tab work, so that all the confusion get clear out. Please see here, class 8 I was explaining you about contextual tab, right? So this is normal table. Look here at the below the ribbon. This menu items are there: home, create, external, data, database tool, data sheet, right? When you click on form option, there are two more tabs are there. One is format, one is arrange, and designing also can be done, right? So these tabs, these are what? Contextual tab. Now in case of report, there will be 4. Design is not there in this 2007 feature. It may be in 2016 version, it will be there. Format, arrange, and page setup. Design is also there in this ribbon, right? But if you look at the table, then these contextual tabs are not available. One more way you can see these contextual tabs by going to quick customize, going to more commands through quick access toolbar. Here form is there. See here, format tab is there in form layout tool, arrange tab is there, and design tab is there. 3 tabs are there. You can insert from here also. And report layout में format tab, arrange tab, page setup, and design tab is there, right? So here all the tabs are available, and these are called contextual tab. Now I hope you have understood all these things. So you came to know what are contextual tab. That is generally not available, but when you create form or report, these tabs are available. I have shown you through quick access toolbar also that you can get this tab, right? I hope things are clear. Thank you and have a nice day.